Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a Mother's Day tablescape. Right now this particular vase that I am using or picture is a item that was gifted to me from my grandma. I don't know if she got it from the thrift store or a yard sale or whatever, but make sure you check out your yard sales and your thrift stores for items. You can find some of the greatest deals and some of the nicest pieces for tablescapes and home decor uses. My runner and my tablecloth came from Dollar Tree. A lot of my products that I'm using on today's tablescape is from Dollar Tree, and a lot of the items are thrifted. And I just wanted to share some ideas with you all on how to decorate your table for Mother's Day, or if you want to host a luncheon or tea or any type of festive event for your mothers or just for your friends and family. I just wanted to share some of my ideas. It is so easy to create a simple but nice and elegant candle holder. Right here I'm using 2 of my Sunday glasses that I purchased from the thrift store for 50 cents a piece. I really got a deal on those. And I have a glass that I purchased from Dollar General. I put some gems in it, added a candle, and you got a simple candle holder. And now I'm getting ready to place all my plate settings down. Some of my plate settings are going to have coffee cups, and some are going to have wine tumblers. Alright, so now let's begin the layering. I pretty much already put both of my chargers down. I'm using one of my wood grain looking chargers. Now I'm going to place down my dinner plates, and I'm going to also place down my saucers. And you see I'm using 2 different color plates, and I really like the different color blues that I'm using also in this tablescape. Alright, I love how everything turned out. My centerpiece is stunning. I love how each plate was placed. Everything looks so nice. This tablescape is dedicated to my mom, my grandma, and my mother-in-law. I'm so blessed to have these 4 wonderful ladies in my life, and we will all be sharing a lunch together real soon once this pandemic is over and things start to get so much better. And I'm just so blessed and thankful to be able to share this complete tablescape with all of you. I love all the colors and the blend. My green apples came from Dollar Tree, and my centerpiece, I pretty much had thrifted items in it, and I have some of my items that I've had for a couple of years, and some items are clearance items from Walmart. So thank you all so much for tuning in for another episode of Uneatly Tae. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. So sit back and relax and continue to enjoy.